Alrighty, we're going to do this online exercise of transom trig, but I just want to show you why trig works. So here I've got my famous 3, 4, 5 triangle, 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, and these are the angles. We can see that the purple triangle and the blue triangle are similar triangles because all the angles are the same and they're just a scale factor. So if we go back to that 3, 4, 5, I can get to the 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 4 times 3 is 12. And 5 times 3 is 15. So it's just scaling up. So let's have a look at 9. Let's see if we can get to 4.5, which is half of 9. If we get to 4.5, close enough. Ooh. And you can see 6 is half of 12 and 7.5 is half of 15. So they're similar triangles. Now, if we were looking at 53, this would be the opposite and this would be the adjacent. If we were looking at 37, this would be the opposite and this would be the adjacent. The longest side, opposite the right angle, is always the hypotenuse. Okay, so the trig, if we, that's nice, so that was twice 3 is 6, so 3, 4, 5 became 6, 8, 10, so you can see that similarity. So let's have a look at opposite of 53 divided by adjacent. So if we have 8 divided by 6, and here 8 divided by 6 equals, and if we have 12 divided by 9 equals. Okay, so the opposite divided by the adjacent is the tan button on your calculator. So tan 53 should equal basically the same thing. Okay, that 53 must not be exact. Let's have a look at our opposite divided by hypotenuse. Our opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite the angle was these two and the hypotenuse was these two. Those are the lengths. And then opposite over hypotenuse is the sine button. So if I go sine of 53, it should be the same. Okay, so that's kind of what's happening, that if we know the angles, then we can figure out, if we know two sides and one angle, or basically if we know the angle and the side, we can figure out the other. If we know two sides, let's just do the exercise, right? So let's have a look at this. Find the length AC. So what I do first is, here's my triangle, here's my 27. That's going to be my opposite, that's my right angle, so that's my hypotenuse, and that's my adjacent. It says find AC, so AC is the opposite. So this one here, I don't have and I don't need. So we think of our SOH CAH TOA, which we will do in class first. We don't want or need the H, so we know that we are dealing with TOA. So that means tan 20, actually, what are we trying to find? We are trying to find the opposite. The opposite is here, so the opposite equals, these two are side by side, so it's tan 27 times 13. That one our calculator. There we go. Tan 27 times 13, and I get 6.62. 6.62. Well done, next question. Now notice it says give answers to 3 significant figures, so that's why I did that, but it actually doesn't really particularly mind. Okay, so here we just need to get rid of all that. Okay, so for this one, okay, so for this one here, we are looking for this length here, AB. We have a right angle, we have 32. We have opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse is 55. So we're going to try and find AB. This one here, because it's touching the angle and the right angle, that's the angle of interest, should I say, that's A. So if we go SOH CAH TOA, then the formula that's got A in it's no good to us. So we're going to use this one. So now we're trying to find the opposite. The opposite's at the top, so we go opposite equals, these are side by side, so that means sine of the angle times the hypotenuse of 55. So sine of the angle times the hypotenuse of 55. We grab our calculator, and so we go sine of 32 times 55, and we get 29.1 to three significant figures. So 29.1 meters. Submit. Next question. Okay, so now we just need to clear that again. Oh dear. Sorry. Okay, well, let's just make sure we've got our pen. Draw our triangle. That's our right angle. That's 72. We're trying to find BC. So this one's the one we're trying to find. And that's 12. So that's opposite the right angle, so that's hypotenuse. This is our angle, so that's theta. This is touching the angle of interest and the right angle, so that's adjacent. What we have here is opposite, which we don't want or need. So if we go SOH CAH TOA, that's got an O in it, that's got an O in it. So we know we're dealing with car. Now, what we're trying to find is the A, so we go A equals, these two are side by side, so it's multiplication, so it's cos 72 times hypotenuse of 12, so we get out our calculator, and we go cos 72 times 12, 3.71 to three significant figures. Okay, so image, select, draw, delete, and we are good to go for the next one. And make sure we're on our pen. So here we have our diagram, and I don't like that very much. Okay, here's our right angle. Here's our 27, which is our theta, or our angle. Here's our 15. Now, here's my angle, so that's opposite. Here's my right angle, so that's hypotenuse. This length here is touching the right angle and the angle, so it's adjacent. Find length AB. So AB is this length here. So I probably should show you that down the bottom here. The B is there. Okay, so that's length AB. So I don't have hypotenuse. I don't have the hypotenuse and I don't need the hypotenuse. So if I go so, that's no good because it's got an H in it. That's no good because it's got an H in it. So it's got to be TOA. So TOA is like so. What are we trying to find? The AB, we're trying to find the A. Now the A is underneath. So we go A equals, this is above, so we got opposite, and this is below, so it's got to be divided. So hang on, so that's opposite was 15, and it's 1027. So we get out the calculator, and we go opposite was 15 divided by 1027. That's 29.4. 29.4. Next question. Okay, so here again. Okay, so this next one, can you see the entire right. Okay. Find length AB. So first we're going to draw pen, drawing a triangle. We've got 37, we've got 33. Find length AB. That's our hypotenuse we're trying to find. The adjacent we don't want or need, and we've got the opposite. So we think of SOH CAH TOA. The CAH and the TOA have A in it, so we know that it's so. What we're trying to find is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equals opposite over sine of theta, because you can see that that's the divide sign here. So the opposite is above the S, and the S is the sine theta. Okay. So therefore, our hypotenuse equals opposite of 33 divided by sine of 37. Plug it into the calculator. So we've got 33 divided by sine of 33. 33 divided by sine of 37. And we've got 54.8, three significant figures. Okay, next question. All right, that's probably enough for now.